Israel. Payah. Mantap. Israel penjajah. Little Chris. Nah, are you a bajai driver? Are you bajai driver? Oh iya, banjir orang ini yang punya ring light, mantap. Mantap itu setiran, pakai dah tuh steering wheel buat main ETS. Do you live in the Perindapan?
Ya, Perindapan.
Oh, you live in the Perindapan. Why Indian people eat with hand? Should nape? And cook with hand also gitu. Kenapa orang India makan pakai tangan? Comot-comot gitu kan? Kenapa? Why? It's not hygienic, Panjul. Ente you don't muntah. Muntah apa sih bahasa Inggrisnya? Ente kagak muntah, kagak ini, nggak jijik. Your beard very good. Do you use Firdaus? I want to grow my beard also as well juga gitu. Waduh, your ini kayak penjajah Belanda. Bang, why your home is very dark? Kenapa gelap sih? Ente pakai ring light. Don't you pay? Oh gitu. You don't pay your electricity bill. Belum bayar listrik lu. Ente belum bayar, pantesan dimatiin listrik. You pay your electricity bill, so you have an electric service gitu. Do you like running around the pool? Muter-muter di tiang? Do you like? No, oh you don't like gitu. Because many Indians like to running around the pole gitu. Lari-lari di sekitaran tiang, muter-muter sambil nyanyi while singing. Brother. Udah mandi apa belum ente? Have you taken a bath? Mandi. Have you taken a bath? Mandi? Udah mandi belum? Belum ya? Pantesan mungkin dekil. Ya udah. Yuk, Bang, mari.
Kamu Cika.
Waduh tuh.
Halo.
Israel.
Ya, Israel, ya.
You from Israel?
Ya.
Can you speak English gak?
Yeah, I can speak.
Oh, bagus, sudah very good. You from Haifa?
No, I'm not from Haifa. Where are you from Singapore?
Oh, I am from Changi.
Where?
Changi.
Shanghai?
Changi.
It's a city?
Yeah. The city on the Singapore. Goblok geografi lu gak tahu. Changi kan airport. Very good. Israel, payah.
One day I will visit in Singapore.
Oh, do you want to visit Singapore one day?
Yeah. One day I will come.
Oh, iya, Singapore is very wonderful. Very good. Singapore is very wonderful. Gitu. But Israel is very payah. Gitu. Israel. Israel. Payah. Mantap. Israel. Penjajah. Mantap. Where do you come from? You from Haifa? Yeah. Tel Aviv.
No.
Oh, where? What city do you live in? Hah?
Beersheba.
Oh, Beersheba. Hatem Beersheba. Hello, bro. What are you drinking tuh?
What's up?
Drinking?
Drink whiskey.
Waduh, whiskey minuman haram. Israel. You from Israel, bro?
Yeah, from Israel. I'm Jewish.
Jewish. From Haifa. Yeah.
No, Tel Aviv.
Oh, Tel Aviv. Yeah. How is Israel right now? Is it safe?
Yeah, it's good right now.
Iya dah. Yeah, be careful.
Oh.
Be careful.
Be careful. All the focus in Russia and Ukraine.
Oh, Russia and Ukraine. Yeah, not
bad,
Palestine
bad.
and Israel. Yeah.
Right now, not.
Oh, right now not. Yeah, I hope not dah. No war.
I hope too, my friend.
Because there are so many civilian will die. Yeah, rocket struck the civilian people. It's sad story, brotherku. Tuh gue jadi baik tuh. Iya, bro.
Fuck the Hamas.
Waduh, jangan dong. Jangan, nggak baik gitu. Hamas, iya. Kalau gue sih dukung aja. Israel, payah. Gitu. Mantap ya, Bang.
You
How you grow your beard, bro? Do you use oil? Hah?
I take it for my father.
Oh, from your father. So it is descendant. Yeah. Waduh. Betul. I cannot grow my beard ini. Kenapa?
With the time, it's
Oh, with the time. I need oil. Arabic oil. Set to grow my beard. And my kumis. My mustache.
It's good.
Your beard very good, brother. Israel, payah.
Si, português.
Mantap, bro.
Fanta?
Bukan Fanta, mantap.
Say, want Fanta?
Fanta apaan? Gue gak suka Fanta nih, gue suka kopi nih. Kopi, Bang?
Si, Michael Jackson.
You are not alone. I am here with you. I am far away. Gitu lah Michael Jackson mah, cegukan, Bang.
You sing good. Na.
Your burger are the best. Yeah.
Good. YouTube, follow him. He's the best. So,
ada aja orang Israel. Tuh rambut, your hair, very good. Ketutup-tutupan.
Thank you.
Israel payah. Yuk, mari, Bang. Kepulauan. Hello, bro.
Halo.
From Solomon Island?
Yes.
Oh,
yes.
very good. I very rare to meet Solomon people. Very
Thank
good.
you.
What's your name, brotherku?
Andrew.
Oh, Andrew.
And you?
My name is Olitamia. Olitamia. Where is Solomon Island? In Africa or in America?
Just close to Papua New Guinea.
Oh, close to Papua New Guinea.
Yes.
Yeah. Indonesia, Papua New Guinea.
Yes, New Guinea.
Solomon Island. Oh, so
Vanuatu.
Vanuatu. Oh, in Oceania.
Fiji.
Oceania.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah. It's a little island in the.
Yes, very small.
Yeah. What is your job? Are you a fisher?
Sorry?
What is your job? Are you a fisher?
Oh, no. Survey.
What are you doing for living?
Land survey.
Land surfing. Oh, surfing.
Yeah.
Oh.
Survey. Yeah.
Is it beautiful in Solomon Island?
Oh, yes.
Yeah, one day I want to go Solomon Island.
Green and sunny.
Oh, very good. What is the Solomon language?
Pidgin and
Pidgin.
yes.
So it's the same for the Fiji people.
Yeah, yes, English and Fiji mix.
Oh, mix. English, Pidgin. Oh, like that, brother.
What do you do?
Oh, I am a teacher.
Okay.
I am a teacher in here.
High school or?
Yeah, high school. Mathematics.
Okay.
Do you like mathematics? No.
Not too much. Yes.
Because you there is a formula.
Yes, lots of formula.
Formula, algebra.
You married? No.
No, I am still single. And how about you?
I'm already
engaged. You're already married?
Yes,
engaged. Oh, engaged. Engaged. You give her ring?
Not yet.
No, not yet.
Yeah. Already.
Oh, udah. Waduh, good luck. Good luck.
Thank you.
So you haven't got a son and daughter. You haven't. 3. Wah, you got 3. 3 what? 3 son or 3 daughter?
3 son, 3 ninjas.
Wah, ninjas Naruto. Do you watch Naruto? No.
Not really.
Not really. Naruto si ninja. Shinobi.
Shinobi ninja.
Oh, aduh. Ada. Why you ini toothpick? Is it a toothpick?
Toothpick.
Ada aja. Makan gituan itu. How is football in Solomon?
Oh, yes, I just watched a game between Solomon and Cook Island.
Cook
just
Island.
Finished.
Oh,
yeah.
Who is win?
For World Solomon 2-0.
2-0. Wah, very good.
Yeah.
Congratulations, brotherku. Mantap. So the Solomon national team is good.
Yes.
Mantap. In Oceania. In Oceania. Oh.
Qualification.
What is your traditional food in Solomon that I should try
food
someday? Yeah, food. What is your traditional food? Waduh, kok gue jadi ngomong serius gini ya? Apa makanan ente Kepulauan Solomon? Noodle.
Main food ya.
Hah?
New.
Hah? New balon.
Coconut milk kan.
Coconut milk.
Wait, pudding.
Oh, pudding. Puding. Oh, puding mah makanan hajatan.
Taruhan coconut milk.
Taruh and coklat
good.
milk. Oh, itu mah bukan makanan tradisional, makanan itu takjil for breakfast. Who is your president? Do you have president in Solomon?
No, we are just prime minister.
Oh, you are federal state.
Federal, yeah.
Oh, who is your prime minister?
Manasseh Sogavare.
Manasseh. Oh, Manasseh. Sogavare.
Yes.
Oh, iya.
He's from Choizo province.
Oh.
Choizo. We have
Sonzo, sebelahnya Petamburan ya.